Let's see how to solve this problem. Lead code number 1020, number of enclaves. Let's see what's the question. You are given an m-crossing boundary matrix where 0 represents C and 1 represents land. A move consists of walking from one land cell to another land cell or walking off the boundary of the grid. Return the number of land cells in grid for which we cannot walk off the boundary of the grid in any number of moves. So basically, they are asking, we are given M-crossing matrix which contains zeros and ones. Zero means water, one means land. They are asking us how many land cells are there where you cannot reach or walk. So, see, understand the question this way: assume you are at the outside of the boundary, okay, uh, and you are allowed to walk on the land. So if you are outside of the boundary, it is zero. You cannot enter. These all are zeros. You cannot enter. The only way to enter is this. You'll enter here, okay, and then you'll see where can you go. You cannot go further. You stop here, and this is the only one side you can walk, and remaining all are unwalk. You didn't reach them. So we have three one sides which you couldn't reach. We'll return three as our answer. See this. See this example. So we are outside the boundary. Mm, we can go to here, from here to here, and then to all these two cells also. So we have covered all the ones. Zero ones are left. So we'll return zero. Let's see how to solve this question. What I will do is I'll try to I'm outside the boundary. I'll try to see if I have any one at any place. Okay. If I have one, I'll enter there and mark it as visited. And from here I will visit all the cells that are possible and mark them as visited. And if there is another one here, I'll enter through this and I'll mark all the cells visited. So at the end, I'll count the cells which are ones and which are not visited, and that will give me answer. Let's see. Um, let's write the code for it. I'll try to solve this using the DFS. So we are given m rows and columns. I need a boolean array. Um, state. Net result to 0. See, I found a grid, and one more thing is it should be at the boundary. Either I should be 0 or j should be 0, 0 or 0 column, or it should be a minus 1 or j should be a minus 1. So this so that I will enter only through the boundary, and grid of ij should be 1, and if it is not visited, instead of ij, what I will do is dfs of ij and my visited grid and rows and columns. I can even do this. So this will look better. Hmm. So yeah, I mean, let's write this DFS code later. Think of it as a black box right now. So it is marking addresses that are visited. After that, I'll iterate from first row to last before column, last before row, and first column to last before column. And I'll see if I found any 1, and if it is not visited, so it will come under my result. I'll return the result. Let's write DFS now. While DFS tar in C and boolean visited in 10. So I'll mark visited of RC 2. After that, I'll check all of its neighbors. I'll check in 4 directions. To check in 4 directions, so I'll have my D and D column. Top row, same row, next row, same row, same column, next column, same column, before column. I'll go in 4 directions. Sum for I plus plus. My new row will be I plus 0 of I. My new column will be C plus D column of I. So right now I need to write. I need to check whether this is a valid cell or not. It should be greater than or equal to 0. It should be less than, and column should be greater than or equal to 0. And column should be less than, and this should be 1. And new column should be 1, and it should be marked as it is not visited earlier. Then I'll do DFS on this. DFS of new row, new column, my visited array, and so this will give me answer. Let's see if we have any issues. We got an error. Boosted. What's the illegal start of expression? It is saying. So I have 3 equals here. Illegal start of expression, semicolon expected. So the bracket. So Boolean spelling is gone. Space of row, column, listed grid amen. So I'm taking grid here. Yeah, it is int. So many errors. Yeah, let's submit this. That got accepted. Let's analyze time and space complexity. So time. So this will take big of m crossing. This is another big of m crossing. And my DFS for every cell I'm going in 4 directions. So big of m into n, one iteration. This is second, and DFS m into n into 4. This is the time. And space. So what is the space I'm using? One is for visited array, m into n, and DFS at max can go to total number. Recursive stack can go to this much m into n. So this is the time and space forms. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you.